Today we will learn how to fix error invalid column count in CSV input on line 1. Sometimes there is a need to update tables in bulk, so exporting the table as CSV file, and editing it in Excel, and then importing the file back to phpMyAdmin, makes things easier. There's a very simple way to do this. Watch this video till the end. Here, I am importing a CSV file which I exported with quick method. Here, I got an error importing the file. Let's export the table again, in CSV format, but now using custom export method. Select Put Columns Names in the first row and click Go. This will add column names, at the top of CSV file. Now, do the necessary edits. I have already made the edits, that I will copy in this file. Now save the file. Go back to phpMyAdmin, and import the file we just edited. Now you have successfully imported the table data. Delete the first row, which is column names. I hope that this video helped you. Keep exploring, keep learning.